The HUE Animation Studio Complete Stop Motion Kit bundles a flexible, high-definition camera, intuitive stop-motion software for Windows and macOS, and a clear how-to-book so beginners can start animating quickly. Its articulated camera neck and built-in microphone make it easy to position shots precisely and capture clean audio without extra equipment. The included guidebook, mini stage, and printable extras gently walk children through storytelling, frame-by-frame techniques, and simple special effects, turning learning into playful experimentation. Teachers and homeschoolers will appreciate that it supports structured projects in science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics, while still feeling like open-ended creative play. The desktop software runs smoothly on current operating systems and is straightforward enough that many early elementary school students can work independently after a short introduction. A sturdy shock-resistant carry case with room for accessories keeps the camera protected and organized, backed by a multi-year warranty and responsive support from the manufacturer.